Hello guys, welcome to our Module 2, Solving Quadratic Equations by Extracting Square Roots. In solving quadratic equations that can be written in the form x squared equals to k can be solved by applying the following properties. Okay, if k is greater than 0, then x squared equals to k has two real solutions or roots. X equals plus or minus square root of k. Second, if k equals to 0, then x squared equals to k has one real solution or root. X equals to 0. If k is less than 0, then x squared equals to k has no real solutions or roots. Sample number 1 or property number 1. If k is greater than 0, then x squared equals to k has two real solutions or roots. X equals plus or minus square root of k. Sample number 1, find the solutions of the equation x squared minus 16 equals to 0 by extracting square roots. Solution: x squared minus 16 equals to 0. X squared equals to ang constant, move to right side, nag-change man siya ng side, so magiging positive siya. From negative 16 to positive 16 na siya. And then next, x squared equals to 16. May squared man siya, tanggalin natin yung squared because we are looking for the value of x, not x squared. So, para matanggal siya, square root natin siya. Nag-square root tayo sa left side, square root din tayo sa right side. Meaning, square root both sides. So, square root of x squared magiging x na lang. Square root of 16 magiging plus or minus 4 because 4 times 4, 16. Negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. So, dalawa. So, check natin. For x equals to 4, check natin kung tama ba yung mga solution. Positive 4 and negative 4. Paano ba yan malalaman? I-substitute natin yung values ni positive 4 and negative 4 doon sa original equation. So, x squared for x equals to 4. X squared equals minus 16 equals to 0. Palitan ng 4 si x. So, 4 squared minus 16 equals to 0. 4 squared, 16. 16 minus 16 equals to 0. So, 0 equals to 0. Tama ito. 4x equals to negative 4. X squared minus 16 equals to 0. Palitan o substitute. Mag-substitute natin. Replace si negative 4 doon sa x. So, si x ngayon magiging negative 4 na. Squared minus 16 equals to 0. Negative 4 squared or negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. 16 minus 16 equals to 0. So, tama siya. So, for both positive 4 and negative 4 is correct for x squared minus 16 equals to 0. Therefore, property number 1, pag greater yung k, ito greater than 0, dalawa ang solusyon. So, both the values of x satisfy the given equation. So, the equation x squared minus 16 equals to 0 is true when x equals to 4 or when x equals to negative 4. Answer: the equation x squared minus 16 equals to 0 has two solutions. Ano yon? Si x equals to 4 and x equals to negative 4. So, ano ba ang relasyon ni positive 4 and negative 4? You are looking for the values of x in the curve. Nagdaan si x squared minus 16. Ito yung curve niya. Yun. Ito yung hinahanap natin. Yung 2 points na dumaan sa x-axis. So, si positive 4 at saka si negative 4. Ito yung curve ni x squared minus 16. Parabola. So, yung mga x natin, ito yun sila, yung dalawang points na dumaan kay x-axis. Property number 2, if k is equals to 0, then x squared equals to k has one real solution or root. X equals to 0. Example number 2, solve the equation t squared equals to 0. Solution: t squared equals to 0. Copy. And then we're looking for the values of t. Tanggalin natin si squared by squaring both sides. Square root of t squared equals to square root of 0. Square root of t squared magiging t na lang. Square root of 0 is 0. So, 0, ang isa lang ang value ni t. So, ito yun. To check, 0, t squared equals 0. Palitan ng 0 si t. So, 0 squared equals to 0. So, tama siya. The value of t satisfy the equation t squared equals to 0, which is, anong value ni t? 0. Property number 3, if k is less than 0, then x squared equals to k has no resolutions or roots. Walang solution o roots kung si k na ito less than 0. Example number 3, find the roots of the equation x squared plus 9 equals to 0. Solution, write the equation in the form x squared equals to k. So, kailangan ito yung form niya. Yung constant doon sa right side. Ang maiwan lang ang variable. Okay? So, s squared plus 9 equals to 0. S squared, lipat si positive 9. Pag mag-change ng side, from left to side, mag-change din ang sign. So, from positive, magiging negative 9. Since negative 9 is less than 0, then the equation s squared equals to negative 9 has no resolution or roots. There is no real number when squared gives negative 9. May square root na si negative 9. O, so may number na i-squared na to magiging negative 9. 3 squared, hindi man pwede, positive 9 man siya. Negative 3 squared, positive 9. So, wala. So, walang solution. There is no resolution or roots. Sample number 4. Find the solution of the equation x minus 4 quantity squared minus 25 equals to 0. Yung constant solution, x minus 4 quantity squared minus 25 equals to 0. Yung constant, negative 25, lipat sa kabila, magiging positive 25. Naiwan si x minus 4 quantity squared. So, tanggalin natin yung squared. Square by, square ang both sides. Square tayo. Sa left side, sa right side. So, square root of x minus 4 quantity squared equals to square root of 25. So, ang maiwan, tanggalin itong squared, x minus 4 na lang, square root of 25 plus or minus 5. Okay? So, tanggalin natin itong negative 4, mag-plus tayo ng 4 sa left side, kaya nag-plus man tayo sa left side, mag-plus din sa right side. So, x minus 4 plus 4 equals to plus or minus 5 plus 4. So, ito ay magiging 0 na sa left side. Negative 4 plus 4, x na. X na lang maiwan. Dito, dalawa yan. Positive 5 plus 4, magiging 9. Negative 5 plus 4, magiging negative 1. So, dalawa. 9 at saka negative 1. Okay, thank you. That's it.